Hello guys, it's your girl Eunice and you're welcome to my channel where we serve you hot gist happening around Nigeria. For today's news, we have from Duncan, "This world is so wicked. Duncan regains freedom after arrest for 11 million naira fraud." Singer Duncan finally gained his freedom after he was whisked away by policemen on Saturday over allegations of fraud. The Port Harcourt-based singer was initially rumored to have been kidnapped by unknown gunmen, but IMO police spokesman Godson Ikeoku said in a statement that Duncan was arrested following allegations of scam. According to reports from different quarters, he was arrested by policemen over his money brouhaha with musician M2. Recall that former Governor Rochas gave Duncan 11 million naira to promote up-and-coming musician M2, who is an alumnus of Rochas Foundation School. But he didn't use the money for what it was meant for, and the matter went from petty to dirty. However, after some agonizing hours following arrest, he was finally released. The excited singer was captured in a video praising in God in songs for his timely release and lamenting about the wickedness of the world and how people die for the wrong reasons. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.